Hey guys, welcome to another video. If you're new here, I'm April. I'm a skincare cosmetic chemist. I talk about all things skincare, back end, front end, of all things skincare. So if you're interested in science-based skincare, definitely hit that like button down below. Subscribe to this channel for all your skincare advice from a science-based perspective. Thank you guys so much for being here. I'm truly grateful. Thank you for gracing me with your time. I know that's a rare commodity in this day and age. But we're in quarantine, so I know you got time. So be sure to subscribe. All right, so today's video, as you guys can see from the title, is Fenty Beauty. Fenty is on my channel again. Now, I made a video about 3 months ago now, and I really wanted to talk about my update on Fenty Skin. I know I said I was going to purchase the products, but I don't think I ever really shared my experience. I think I shared it on my Instagram, which if you're not following me on my Instagram, it's going to be popped up right here in this corner. Be sure to follow me on there. I'm not the best at posting skincare. I try whenever I do post about skincare. You can also see a lot of info on my skincare highlights on my page. I share a lot of like behind the scenes, working as a chemist, making a product in the lab, just a ton of amazing stuff. So if it's not on my page, it's going to be on my highlight story. So today we're going to talk about Fenty, and I had to get ready. You know, I had to dress up for my sis Rihanna. So today I wanted to review the 3 products: cleanser, sunscreen, and the toner. I wanted to review all 3 products because I have used it for 90 days, so I think I have a gauge and I have a better anecdotal evidence of my use of this products. So I really wanted to share that today, but also I wanted to do a quick review on the new product that's going to be launching on the 20th of October. I didn't have it sent in PR, and honestly I don't think I'm going to be buying this product, and I will tell you guys why in a second. But Fenty Skin is coming out with their moisturizer. It's their first solo moisturizer. I believe their sunscreen doubled up as a moisturizer, but we know nobody using this as a moisturizer. Everybody has a separate moisturizer. So I'm sure no one really used this as a moisturizer. Most people just use it as what it was, a sunscreen. So really quickly, the moisturizer will be retailed for $40. It comes in, you know, very earth conscious packaging, just like the sunscreen did. This one has that flip out sunscreen component where you could refill this, just buy this part on the website and you don't have to buy the whole entire component. The moisturizer has a similar story narrative to it. I think it has like a spatula. It's just really pretty. But what we care about here is the actual ingredient, bitch, because you know, ingredients don't lie, right? I looked up the ingredients because they already have it up on the website. It has hyaluronic acid and niacinamide as the active ingredients. I'm not gonna get it because 2 of their products already have niacinamide, and if you guys know, I preach on this channel, please do not overwhelm your skin with the same ingredients. So since the toner and the sunscreen already have niacinamide, I just no, it's just too much. If you're gonna do the same ingredient, limit it to 1 or 2 products. So I don't want to overwhelm my skin, and especially since we don't even know the percentage that niacinamide is at. I'm good with these 2, so that's the major reason why I will not be getting it. Second reason I will not be getting it is because I feel like it's not something I haven't seen before. We've seen niacinamide and hyaluronic acid in a product before. It's not this heaven sent ingredient list. It pretty much is basic in my opinion. Again, there's no actives. I think she's really trying to reach a broader audience by just limiting the actives in her ingredients, where it's not selective to, you know, certain skin type, which I understand. She's a businesswoman, I get it, but I will not be investing my coins in the moisturizer. Okay, let's move on. All right, so reviewing this 3 products, my 90-day review on these products. Whew, you guys, okay, it's not all bad. It's not all bad. I know that emotion came off as bad. I loved some and I didn't love some very much. So I'm going to start with the cleanser. This is actually my favorite. I don't love it as a cleanser, which is what it's for, but I love it as a makeup removing balm. The first 3 products came out with serve 2 purposes. This one serves as a cleanser and cleansing balm. So this one removes makeup like nobody's business. So I ran out of my Pharmacy Beauty cleansing balm, and I was like, crap, like I don't have anything to use now, you know? Quarantine, we're all broke, so anybody trying to buy products left and right. I want to point out something. So when you do use this cleanser and you open it up right here, right? You twist the cap, and when you do squeeze it out, like so, when you close the top, a little bit comes out of it. A little bit. So make sure to wipe up that little bit that comes out. You guys see that on my finger? Make sure to wipe that off, because a lot of times you forget and you just place it on your countertop and then it just accumulates and causes like scum and stuff. You don't want that. So make sure you wipe that. That's something I really noticed with this and the toner, which I'll show you guys shortly. So very important to remember to do that when you use this cleanser. But like I said, it's an amazing makeup remover. Also, it smells amazing. I love that fragrance. If you're not a fragrance person, please don't come for me in the comments. I like fragrance. I don't mind fragrance. I really enjoyed this product. Number 2 product I'm going to review is the Fenty, I think it's the Fat Water. This product, I don't know. Okay. So this product is tricky. I think it was around the time of my period, you know, you have your hormones going. I don't know if it was my hormones causing me to break out, but I noticed whenever I would use it on my forehead area, it broke me out, right? In my T-zone area. But then my U-zone, it was fine. And then I tried it again very recently and it's fine. Like I'm not breaking out at all. So I don't know if it was a proponent of my hormones or if it was solely this product. I don't know, but I do like this product. I enjoy it. However, I wish it was just a little bit thicker. I feel like it's a little too watery. I really wish that it didn't just like spill out really easily. I feel like it doesn't have the viscosity that it really needs to hold onto the skin, especially. I really do like the product though. I think it looks great aesthetically. It also has niacinamide, which I talked about more in detail in my first video, which I'll link up here. So yeah, I do like this product. I think it's a great serum slash toner. It's just a great spare serum to have. I don't think it should be your daily serum slash toner. I think other brands do a much better job. It also has witch hazel. Let me say that. Witch hazel is in this product. So if you don't like witch hazel, don't spend your coins on this product. But I will say it doesn't have denatured alcohol. Alcohol usually makes witch hazel make your skin break out, strip your skin. So I think you'd be fine with getting this product because the witch hazel is not being amplified by alcohol. All right, last product here I'm going to talk about is a sunscreen. So this sunscreen for sure broke me out. Like, no, I put it on my face one morning. By the time I got back from work, my skin had a lot of breakouts. It was not fun. I did not enjoy this product. I do love the component. Love that you can just refill that. This is amazing. This is genius. But, you know, packaging is just the least of our worries. We want the ingredients to actually work. Surprisingly, it did not break me out on my actual skin. I just use it on my arms now, which I'm actually out of it. Yep, I'm out of it. It's not really coming out anymore. But yeah, it didn't break me out on my body, just my face. It was a no. As far as the ingredient list, it has gluconolactone, which is a PHA. PHA is an exfoliating acid, but it has bigger molecules than glycolic acid. It also has niacinamide, which I'm fine with because, you know, like I said, I try not to overwhelm my skin. So if I have just this one and the serum containing niacinamide, I'm okay. Doing more than 3 products with the same active is an overkill. I think the biggest contributor to my breakouts was the extracts. This product has tons of extracts. Extracts, when it comes to the lab at work, they already come with preservatives of their own. It's like combining so many preservatives in one product. So sometimes it could just be overwhelming to your skin and your skin can't handle it. So I think that's what happened with this sunscreen. I don't know, but it just didn't work for my face and I'm safer using it on my body. Would I repurchase it? Probably not. I used the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen and I really enjoyed that one, so I don't think that I need to get this one again unless I just am feeling lucky and I have some extra coins, and of course I'll support my good sis. But yeah, that's it for my review and 90-day review of this product. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, support a sister, share this video with your friends and family so people can know long-term what to expect from the Fenty Skin products. Also, you liking this video will help with my engagement and my YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it again. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.